Dad's probably ringing us about thunderstorm.
Yeah.
Whoa!
I got that.
That was pretty cool.
Bloody hell. Okay, can you keep recording? I'm just gonna go get the phone, yeah? I'll see who it was. Don't drop it, okay? Bloody hell.
Whoa! There's a rain curtain coming in. Pretty heavy, I can hear it from here. Ooh. Yes, pretty cool. Come up here and have a look. We'll leave it for now. There's rain coming in, it's quite heavy, I can see it, yeah, it's straight ahead. Yeah,
Okay.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Yeah. You can see the rain now, it's coming, can't you?
Oh, it's raining.
Here we go, the rain.
It's coming towards us, there's the storm there.
Wind's bright.
The wind will definitely pick up when it starts raining.
But you can see the flag over there, look.
Got the downdraft.
You see the England province.
Yeah, there'll be a massive downdraft probably
Downpour in a minute, like Singapore.
coming in with the rain curtain.
So loud. Heavy that rain.
Yes. That's heavy rain. I've shut this door in the window in a minute.
I just felt a spot. we'll get like a sudden deluge in about a minute time. It's like being by the sea.
Ooh. It's definitely getting closer.
What? You know the time difference between the thunder and lightning?
Here we go, it's starting to rain now.
Yeah. out.
I'm gonna stare at it, see if we get any
No,
direct.
bring the camera in with you because it's going to get wet.
I don't really like our position here because we are quite high up on a hill.
Thanks, that. What's the worst that could happen?
King stretch.